Hello everyone. Thank you guys so much for choosing my channel to stop by and spend a little time with your girl. My name is Lavina, and over here we do cash stuffing, and I'm a newbie as far as the budgeting go, but I'm figuring it out, okay? I am figuring it out, and I'm determined to do so, okay, you guys? So today, you guys, we will be cash stuffing in my low priority binder, and we'll be doing a little savings challenge as well, okay? So let's get into the video, you guys. Today we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. $17 we will be cash stuffing today. So guys, how have you been? What's going on with y'all? Let me tell you, let me ask y'all something. What's one of y'all biggest goals as far as your budgeting go for January 2025 or 2025? What's some of your goals? My goal is to plan out my finances better. Okay, I don't want to. I want set amounts and goals attached to each one of these envelopes. Okay, I really do, and focusing on one savings challenge at a time. Now, if it's mine, one at a time. If it's Jayden's, one at a time. And Will, I believe, moving in 2025, he gonna just focus on savings challenges as far as his emergency fund and whatever else he want to save for. If he has some extra money that I can do his binders, that I'll probably make something like that happen too. But y'all will be seeing me doing his savings challenges as well, and we're gonna be focusing just on that. Everybody got their own, okay? So I really want to plan it out, okay? So, but I can't really say one savings challenge at a time, but I'm just going to have my savings challenges in order because I already know I want to do an emergency fund savings challenge. And then we have the smaller savings challenges that are monthly. Like I have some for January, some for February, some for March, and so forth. You see, and then I also have my 50 envelope that I want to complete in 2025. But it won't be it won't be, I don't know, y'all. We're going to figure it out. But that I know I want to do those things. Okay, I want to do my monthlies, and I do want to do my emergency fund too. So I just have to figure all that out and get it all written down and planned out. And then I know, by Christmas 2025, I should be able to reap some beautiful rewards as I see all of you guys doing, okay? So let's get into the video. Okay, first thing, bills will be getting $2. Now this is Wi-Fi, and Lorenzo paid this, but I'm trying to save just in case something happens. So now we have 7, 5, 6, 7. I can't believe this month is almost over. Y'all, what did y'all think about that Mike Tyson fight? Did anybody watch it? I didn't. I just been hearing about it online. Water is going to be getting $2. I heard about it online. So, yeah. I have to do, some other planning as well, you guys. I need to get all the doctor's appointments scheduled, dentist appointments scheduled. You know what I mean? I need to get my life scheduled seriously, because I know I want to do my DoorDash at least twice a week. I think that's all I'm going to put on myself right now. I did go looking for another job, but then I'm like, for a second job, I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that. I probably want to just work more hours at Home Depot. Entertainment will be getting $2. 1, 2. So now it has 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what I'm doing. And from my understanding, it's okay for me to do so because they need the help, honey. They didn't want me to go when I left today. I did another hour over today. So, So that is all set. Now we are going to do our November challenge, the happy face. I'm so excited, y'all. I am so excited to get just to get going with 2025, to see what that year brings, to see what 2025 brings. I think it's gonna bring good things for all of us. So we are gonna do one of our happy faces. Well, this one looking upside down. I don't know what's up with that. Nevertheless, we are going to color it in happily. Do that. Yeah, y'all, I want to try to, push myself to do better and push myself to do more. Like, you know what I mean? I need to be doing more. Especially, I need to be putting out more content on other platforms. Just, I just have to organize my life, and I just have to keep on taking my supplements so I won't be tired, y'all. So we got to get $10 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wow. We got $1 left, y'all. So this savings challenge right here, you guys, is worth $320. We have a ways to go, but I would be so proud to complete this. No lie. I'm telling you, I would be so proud to complete this. I don't know when we going to complete it, but we going to complete it. All right, so now we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Good job, Lavina. And then this money here is leftover money. We will count it when this savings challenge is over with. We just gonna put that dollar in there with that. The same way as we will count the leftover money for November too, when we finish this Save Your Nuts challenge. We finished Boo. And we're gonna keep that in there for next October because this can wipe off. So now we just have Save Your Nuts, 10, 20, 30. We got $30 more and we'll be done. And this is $60. Then we'll count the money that was left over for October too. And we'll allocate that somewhere as well. If you guys liked this video, or if you have any questions for me, and you guys don't forget I sell binders. I have a shorts videos with my binders. If you want more information about my binders, just message me. My contact information is below, and I'm running a holiday sale until January. Binders is only $10 plus shipping. Okay, so you guys, please, before you leave, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you guys later on the next video. Bye.